Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will solve another problem. So let's not waste the time and let's get into the class. So I have already written the question and the explanation also. So let us read the question. So write a program that calculate the minimum number of steps. So we have to calculate the minimum number of steps are required to reduce a number to 1. So, for example, if you take any number, we have to reduce to 1. We have to reduce that number to 1. Like how many? To reduce that number to 1, how many steps required? So this is the question. So to reduce the number n, so whatever the number n which is given by the user, so that n should be reduced to 1. So in this process, reducing n to 1, how many steps required is the question. How many steps required is the question. And we have some steps. Is if number, for example, the user number is divisible by 2, then divide it by 2. What I'm saying, if number is divisible by 2, then you have to divide it by 2. If that number is divisible by 2, you have to divide it by 2 and add 2 to the 2 to your step count. So you have to add 2 to your step count. And likewise, if the number is divisible by 3, divide it by 3 and add 3 to your step count. And likewise, if the number is divisible by 5, divide it by 5 and add 5 to your step count. So the program should output the total number of steps taken and the final reduced number. The final reduced number should be the output. For example, we are having 30. So the 30 as the n and number of step counts is I'm taking initial number is 0. Initial as number is 0. And we got 10. So we got 10 as the number of steps and we have reduced it to 1. So we have reduced this 30 to 1. So how we have reduced? The number 30 is divisible by 2, 3 and 5. And the steps are taken as follows. So 30 is divisible by 2, right? 30 is divisible by 2. So we have to divide it to 30 by 2 and we will get 15. We will get 15. Okay. And we have to add. So it is divisible by 2. So that's why we have to add 2 to the step count. And after that, after dividing 30 by 2, we got 15, right? So this 15 will come here and then will be updated. And 15 is divisible by 3? Yes, it is divisible by 3. So if 15 by 3, we will get 5. We will get 5. So then step counts will be 2 plus 3 because it is 3, right? It is 3. It is divisible by 3. So that's we have to add step count. Already we have 2 as a step count. So now we have to add 2 to the 3 as step count and we got 5 total. And after dividing 15 by 3, we got 5 and 5 again will come to here and 5 is divisible by 5. Yes. So 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. So we got 1 finally and we have to add 5 to the step count. So initially it is 5. So we are adding 5 to the 5. So that's the program outputs the 10 steps and the final number is 1. So I hope you understand the problem statement. Let us write the code. So first of all, we have to write import java dot turtle dot star. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system.in. So first of all, we have to take n. S is equal to sc dot next in. We have to take n and we have to take step count. Step count is equal to, so first of all, I'll give 0. Initially, I'll give 0 as the step count, as the step count. So now I will write while loop, while n to 2 is equal to 0, then so we have to check while n mod 2 is equal to 0. Yes, if it is equal to 0, then we will come to the while loop, and we have to, what we have to do? We have to divide. So n is equal to n by 2. So we divide it, and we have to increment steps to 1. We have to increment step count equal to step count plus plus is equal to 2, is equal to 2. So likewise, I will do for 3 and 5. So I'll just change the numbers. That's it. I'll change the numbers. So first for 2, I'm doing the same logic, and for 3 also I'm doing the same logic, but I'm changing the step count. I'm changing the step count, and 5 also I'm changing the step count. That's it. So it is saying, right? So we have to add 5 and 3 to your step count. After doing all these things, I have to print the step count. So how many steps are there? And finally, I have to print the n also. System dot out dot println n. So that's it. That's it, friends. The program is completed. Easy program. So let's run this program. So first of all, we will give 30, and so we got 10 and 1 as the output. So 10 and 1 as the output. So our output also is the same, right? So we have to get 10 and 1. We have to get 10 and 1. So we got the answer. So that's it, friends. I hope you understand the problem. If you have any doubts, please comment in the chat. I will help you out. So if you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video, and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel, and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.